My name's Georgia and I graduated from VCU last year and I did event, venue and experience. So my day-to-day is selling this venue hopefully to lots of corporates and to lots of parties that are going to come in. We plan the event from start to finish, so we'll also take a big key role in being here on the day to making sure everything runs really smooth. So from the course, I definitely did learn that time management is key. It really does play a part in your day-to-day role of having everything planned out.
We try and get the students out of the classroom as much as possible. It's a really practical field that they're going into, events, and they are students that like to be out and hands-on and learning, and that's the environment that they'll be in when they go into the workplace. There's also so many different job opportunities and areas within the events industry that it's important that we get them to see different spaces so that they can find their fit in the events industry.
It also allows a lot of our students to visualise where they might focus on in their coursework. So they get to bring it into the classroom, as well as having these trips. It's not just for fun, it is informative, and it does give our students an opportunity to actually, see what happens, get a feel for it, and then apply the theory that we will teach them as we move on, as well as being a great networking opportunity. Obviously, some of our students will go on to do placements, so by visiting these areas, by actually engaging with management and the people who work here, we're providing opportunities for our students to sell themselves and to figure out what they want to do and where they might want to do it in the future.
And it's just really fun. The events industry is a fun industry, and we want to make sure that students are passionate about events and maintain that passion throughout their degree, and getting them into event spaces is one of the best ways we find to do that.
So we've been at TOCA Social, learning a bit about how the place runs, how the events run. We've been playing some football games as a group, we've got a team going. It's been really fun. Told us a little bit about how it runs, about how you get the venue ready, and just how the general workings of it happen. So yeah, we can take a lot of that back.
I think it's mostly the social skills, being open, being confident in what you do, and kind of running a general event. For me, it's just have perseverance. It's a tough industry, and just for you to have confidence in yourself, in skills, and just to be yourself, in this industry.